What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be working on the E30 project, and we are finally going to get it all primered up and ready to go. Right now, we got all the parts all laid out, and we got brother Arman, not this Arman, this one right here. He's going to be primering up the E30 today. Right, Arm? But yeah, we finally got the car all ready. Greg didn't do jack shit because he's a bitch. Yeah, guys, we went ahead and cleaned up the entire car. What'd you call it?
Piece of shit.
Piece of shit. Go look at your piece of shit outside. We got a professional painting setup right here.
Sponsored by
3,000. Sponsored by Harbor Freight. $3,000 gun right here, Arm. What do you know about this? This guy's been painting for 25, 40 years. And look at this shit. No. This is better. This is better than your shit. He's got like 300-400 guns that don't even spray that well. Look at this. Do you have adjustable shit?
Nope. My central pneumatic. Digital.
Central pneumatic.
This one comes with a flux capacitor, right?
Yeah. Looks like you went with the cheapest company out there. Well, can't we take this shit to Home Depot and have them use that shaker
Can you
thing?
shake this real quick?
Did you
Hey,
buy
can
it
you
from
toss
here?
my
No.
salad real quick?
Excuse me?
Nothing.
You do realize anything you say can and will be used against you in every video possible, right?
Just wait till your wedding day. I got an album for you.
We all do, bro. We all do.
Oh yeah? That's not too much?
Fucking F80.
Do you know what you're doing?
First time.
I'm guessing.
I saw a YouTube video.
Let's see what you got.
We're gonna be fucked.
What is up, you guys? I just want to take a quick minute of your time to talk about the new sponsor of the channel, and that is Shine Armor. If you guys don't know what Shine Armor is, they make a lot of awesome automotive care products, such as this new anti-fog spray that they recently sent out. So what the anti-fog hero actually does is that it prevents fog on like mirrors and glass surfaces. Like, let's say it's cold outside, which it is right now. I'm actually freezing. When it's cold outside and you get like foggy mirrors or foggy windows on your car, or honestly, it doesn't even have to be for the car. It could be in your shower or anywhere else that gets foggy. But I'm gonna be demonstrating it on my car today. So the anti-fog hero actually comes with its own cool little microfiber towel. Just gotta unwrap this. Unwrapped it. Comes with its own little towel, and this is how easy it is to use. So the way you want to actually apply this is you want to spray it on. Just move it around a little bit. Don't buff it out just yet, but get it all over the window. You guys can't really tell on camera, but it's still kind of wet. You let it dry a little bit, which it's getting dry now, and then you like buff it out, kind of like a wax on a car. So now that you guys saw me demonstrate it on that front window right there, I'm going to show you guys the difference that it actually makes. So I didn't spray any of this on the rear window. I'm going to try to create some fog with my breath, with my hot breath. Let's test this out real quick. I don't know how well you guys can tell on camera, but that got really foggy. Now, let's try to do that on the front window. See? Nothing, no fog or anything. So, results speak for themselves. This thing works amazing. If you guys are in the market for it, make sure you guys check out the description down below. I will have the link down there. And thank you, Shine Armor, for sponsoring the channel. Alright guys, obviously you can tell it is a different day. It's actually been a few days ever since we got the E30 project all primered up and ready to go. I didn't really want to show you guys that day what it looked like because it got really late on us. It got dark outside and it's hard to see obviously late at night. So I waited till it's fully dry and fully cured so I can show you guys. But yeah, this thing came out pretty damn good. In total we put like 2 coats all over the body. And whatever spots had like body filler or glazing putty or whatever on there, we put like 3 coats on there. So yeah, basically everything is all ready to go. You got the fenders right here. Everything came out really nice. Let me show you guys how this quarter panel came out. Just look at that, guys. Came out so nice. Now it doesn't have a white quarter panel anymore. Now it's all matching in one color. But yeah, here are the rest of the parts. The front valence came out really nice as well. Bumpers came out really nice also. Yeah, the whole car came out really good. But obviously I'm still not done. The car still needs to get sanded one more time. The entire thing needs to get sanded. I'll probably block everything with like 180, and then I'm probably going to be primering it one more time and then blocking it with 320 one more time, which I probably won't even show you guys on camera. I'll just go ahead and get that done. But for this video, I'm probably just gonna get everything all sanded up and ready to go. And then the next body video, we'll probably get the car painted. But I don't know if I told you guys last time, I don't want to get the car painted just yet. I'm probably gonna primer it for the second time and then start working on the bottom end of the car and getting the whole underside of the car all undercoated so it looks fresh and clean, because I really want the whole underside to just look spotless. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done before painting the car, which that's most likely gonna be in like the next video or the video after that. I might just be building the engine in the next video, but I'm not too sure yet. We'll see when the time comes. And I actually had one more video planned, but you guys let me know in the comments below if you want to see this video. I have a whole like 3 shelves full of just brand new parts and stuff for this build. Basically every single part for this build is just sitting on that shelf right there. Let me know if you guys just want to see like a parts breakdown and see what I actually went ahead and bought for this car. So comment down below if you guys want to see like a parts breakdown video. I'll go ahead and just show everything that I got for the car. But yeah, without further ado, I really need to get this thing all sanded up. This is gonna take a very long time, so everything's just gonna be on time lapse. So let me just go ahead and get this entire car finally all sanded down. Alright guys, I'm going to be ending this video here so I won't keep boring you guys with any more sanding. But shout out to Nautic right here and cousin George over there. They got a couple of these parts all sanded down. They got like these parts sanded down off camera. I still have to sand this front valence, the 2 front bumpers, and these fenders. They actually sanded these like insides right here, so that's all ready to go. But I still have to sand the rest of that off camera. I just don't really want to bore you guys with all that sanding. And on top of that, I want to get this video out for you guys tomorrow. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. I'm probably going to go ahead and move on to maybe assembling the engine in the next video, getting that all together. Then probably moving on to the undercarriage of the car and getting all that all disassembled and repainted and getting it ready to go. But the car won't be painted for a little while. First of all, because it's really cold outside now, so painting a car when it's cold outside kind of sucks. But yeah, I don't really want to get the car painted just yet. We'll probably wait on that a little bit. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how magician painter Oddman will let us know when to do that. But yeah, probably gonna move on to the engine next, and then, like I said, the undercarriage of the car. Get all that ready, and then probably get the car painted. So without further ado, make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. I know these videos are taking a long time to come out, but I've been doing a lot of like side work, like on other people's cars on the side, so it's kind of hard to focus my time on this. But the guys have been helping me recently, so it's still gonna take a long time to get this car finished, but just make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment down below what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.